Hey, this is Bennett.
It's a catty!
I'm in Florida! Yay! Well, in 2020 I was. Watch my 3-part series: bird life, beach life, and sea life. We saw so many birds when we were near the Everglades in southwest Florida. This is a great egret, one of the larger birds we see in Florida. A lot of birds migrate here during the winter months. We were here in March. Ibis roost in large colonies like this one. Looks like they are settling in for the night. They are usually in groups. Here's what an ibis looks like. This great egret is looking for a new spot. This is a roseate spoonbill. It is pink colored and it has a cool beak, which they swing side to side, fishing for food. They are fun to watch. They get their pink color from the food they eat. This yellow-crowned night heron wanted to join the party. I love going to this marina and watching the pelicans fight for scraps of fish.
Oh!
He's like, I can't get it.
This great egret is trying a different tactic to get new food than the last one we saw. Pelicans like to preen, which means they spread preen oil on their feathers to keep them clean and dry. This killdeer bird is looking for its mate. And he found her. This cool osprey nest is at a baseball field. We went kayaking early in the morning and saw lots of birds, like this great blue heron. This anhinga was drying its feathers in the wind. Can you see the green heron in the mangroves? Ibis have long beaks to get their food. As we got close to the beach, this eagle was eyeing us over. Hope you enjoyed learning about these birds. These are 2 common birds you will see on the beach. Next week I will be posting my beach life video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more each week.